How you can replace laptop keyboard and battery. Watch the process. It's very easy. You see how to remove the keyboard. Please, when you want to do this, remove your battery first. Remove your battery. Anytime you want to work on any PC, make sure you remove the battery. Share this video. It will be of help to somebody. So this is how to fix the keyboard back. You see it. So you want to replace the battery. We have China battery and we have Folocom. We call it the original. So be careful of the battery you want to buy so that you don't buy China.